What's up, everybody? Russ with rwgresearch.com. This is my little space here that I'm using for storage. It's got all my 3D printing things and a bunch of storage, and just wanted to show you something for you 3D printing guys, and I'm kind of curious if you ever seen this. So I was moving some things around in here, and I noticed that. And then I walked around the corner, I was putting boxes away and putting these things away, and then I noticed that. Then I noticed that and that and that and that. I thought, what in the world? I mean, there's a few pieces like this I've probably accidentally thrown on the ground, but not that. And then I looked up here and I saw this. And I thought to myself, what in the world is going on? Look at all these. What the heck, man? This thing, look at it. Literally exploded into these individual pieces. I've never seen anything like it. I've never seen anything like this. And I was kind of wondering if you guys have ever seen anything like this. Now, I'll tell you what I did, and it could explain at least some of the reasons. But first, before I do anything, I usually load up a spool and I'll leave it on the printer. The printer's just sitting right here, right? And when I get back in here, usually the first thing that happens is it snaps off right here. And I have to pull that piece out because I leave it in there for 2 or 3 weeks. And it seems like when you do that, it tends to break like that. It gets brittle. By the way, this is PLA. I don't have this problem with ABS, only PLA. But almost every PLA I put in here, that's what happens to it. Well, I had a spool of PLA. I don't actually know if it was really Saint Smart, but it might have been. It's probably about a year old, and it was on this spool. And what I did was I spooled it off of this spool onto here because this spool was too wide and I couldn't get it on my holder. And it's been in here for about a week and a half, and I came back in here, and this is what I get. This is what happened. I've never seen anything like this, though. This is incredible. It's completely insane. In fact, it's a huge mess. And it's a giant waste of filament. I actually really like this filament. But this is crazy. Look at this. I mean, yeah, I could recycle it into something else with my extruder if I could get it out of the box. I don't really have room for that right now. But, yeah, my question is, has anyone seen this? Because I'm assuming it's common with PLAs, or maybe it's how I'm storing them, or who knows. But when it's on a tight roll, like look how tight this is. That's probably a 2-inch inside diameter roll, where this one's like a 3.5 or 3-inch. And so what happens is they wind it on there when they make it, and it gives it just a little bit of stress, a little bit of tension. And then when you unwind it, or you keep it straight, it tends to get sort of brittle and break. Like if I pull this, does it break? Yeah, it's pretty brittle. So anyway, PLA, I like it. But yeah, that's the only thing I don't like about PLA. So leave your comments, leave your thoughts. Let me know if you guys have ever seen anything just quite like this. This is a mess is what this is. This is completely unacceptable. Unacceptable behavior, PLA. Very bad. Naughty, naughty, naughty. Anyway, I hope you had a good couple of holidays here, and tomorrow is the new year, and I just want to wish you guys a happy new year. I would like to make a video about my this past year. It's been pretty crazy, but we'll see. I probably don't have this thing on wide, so I'm probably super close. There we go. How's that? You haven't seen these guys in a while. They're still here. I've been cutting circuit boards with this one for the projects at work. Yeah, unfortunately I don't have room to bring this stuff to my house, but anyway, I've never seen anything like this. This is bonkers. This is crazy. Not like this. So anyway, if you've seen anything like this, please let me know down in the comments. Until then, this is kind of fun noise. Alright. God bless. Watch it and always read the Bible more. Learn something new every time you read it again. Love you guys. Peace out. Bye-bye.